Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see the functions in Excel. So here I have defined the one table and you can see the 8 functions here. These are the function names and these are the values. This is the functions description and here we will apply the function. So first function is auto sum. Okay, so simply go to the home tab and here you click on that button in the editing group. This is the auto sum button, click on that. Okay, so and after that select the values which you want to add and then press the enter. So some of these value you can see here. Then after second function is average. What is the average? First you see here average. We are finding the average of these values 2 4 6. And first of all, sum of value is this, and number of values, how many values are here? About 2 4 6, three values are here, and 12 will be divided by the 3. So what result we will get? 4. Okay, so equal average and select these values and press the enter. Okay, this is the result. Maximum value, uh, it gives the largest value from the set of values. Okay, so max, shift bracket open, select the values. What is the largest value is here? 30. Then after we will see the minimum and shift bracket open, it gives the smallest value from the set of values. The smallest value we are searching from these values, smallest value is 10. Now after that next function is count, shift bracket open, then after it counts the number cell in a range. This is the range, counts the numbers. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 3. Okay, then after we will see the LCM, click on that. What is the LCM? So here you can here we are finding the LCM of 2 4 6. First of all you should divide by 2. So 1 and 2 will come here and 3 will come here. Okay, then after divide this value again by the 2. Okay, so this value not divided, this also not divided, so this will become same and it will go one time divided by the 3. So this will come same, this will come same, and it is going one time. Okay, so now after that you should multiply these values and result you will get this. Okay, this is the LCM. So here you see equal LCM, shift bracket open, select this values and press enter. Okay, then after see the GCD, greatest common divisor. We are finding of these values. So first of all you should write like this, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. What is the common value here? 2. Common value here, only one value is common, 2. uh, so this is the GCD of these values. So here you see equal and GCD, shift bracket open and select these values and this result you will get. Then after this function will give the current date, open close and enter. Okay, then after what is the insert function button? Okay, so this is called a this fx, you can see, click on that. This is called a insert function, and any function, any category you can select from here. I am taking this date and time and click on the date, and here you can give the year 2020, month is 12 and day is 08 and click on the OK button. So you can see the insert function button. Then after that we will see the formula errors. Okay, these are the errors which is given in our book. Okay, this is the reasons why this error will be appear. So first is whenever cell size is too small, you see that. Okay, so this error is coming. Okay, and second error is whenever you are writing the incorrect argument. Suppose I am typing this function sqrt, okay, square root function, then shift bracket open and you are searching the square root of minus 256. This is called the argument. Whenever you enter this, so this error will be come because this is the incorrect argument. Then after we will see the incorrect reference equal, I'm adding these numbers, so what we will get 9. Okay, whenever I will delete this column, so you can see this is the error, incorrect reference, because here this column is not available here. So that's why this error is coming here. Whenever I do the undo that, so here you can see, okay, no error. Then after, whenever you divide the function by the 0, that time you face this error. So equal sum, shift bracket open, select this numbers, shift bracket close, divided by the 0. So this error you will face. Incorrect function name, whenever you give the incorrect function name, suppose function name is sum but I am giving sm, so this time you will face this error. Okay, now last error is this. So this is the name of student and marks this, so we are finding the marks of these student from this table. So okay, so one function we are using, v look up. Okay, shift bracket open, lookup value. Lookup value mean this. Okay, but suppose I am selecting this by mistake. Okay, then table array. Table array is this. Then column index number is 1 and 2. 2. Okay, 2. Then lookup, range lookup. Range lookup is this. Okay, then press the enter. So here you can see the this error. Whenever I'll do it right, whenever I'll get it the uh, right range here, so lookup value range is this. Okay, then press the enter. So here you can see the result and then drag it. Okay, so how many marks is secure by the B? 20, 20, by the D 40, 40, and by the C 30, 30. Okay, then after we will see the circular references. What is the circular references? Press the, suppose I want to the addition of these values here in this cell. Okay, so equal add, and then this add, and by mistake you have given the cell reference of this cell also. Okay, suppose f16, 16. So this message you will get, so uh, because you have selected the wrong cell here, so again you have to type the right equal, select this, then select this, and then press the enter. Then after you will get the result. So that is the functions and error in the Excel. Thank you everyone.